Sometimes the body asks for rest, but the soul asks for nature. So I left the noise behind and followed the road towards something peaceful. The further I went, the quieter my mind became. Trees dancing with the wind, mountains standing still, and the roads leading somewhere beautiful. It felt like nature was calling me home. Every turn reminded me that healing doesn't always happen indoors. Sometimes healing looks like long roads, fresh air, and choosing to slow down for a moment. This was the beginning of my journey to the largest waterfall in West Africa. And honestly, peace already found me before I arrived. Hello, lovely. So, I finally made it to Wli Township. You guys would have to bear with me with the pronunciation. Yes. So, this is me strolling through the town a bit and walking towards the gateway to the waterfalls. The town is peaceful and beautiful. Hi. I made some couple of friends. They were really hospitable, very hospitable. Let's get the food over here so that we can take that way. Yeah, so this entrance to the waterfalls, and this is the reception. I'll just give you a 360. I'll just give you a 360. This is the reception. Yeah, there are people waiting to get their tickets so that they go to the falls. So we are waiting. I'm exploring some of the art market around. Yeah, we have beautiful art pieces. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Yes, they use wood to do it. This is handmade crafts. Beautiful. You only get this in Ghana. Care that much. Food is just in abundance. So